So one of my all-time favorite things to do, drive to some random town in the country and explore the antique shops and whatever else they have to offer. I got in the car, I had all my favorite songs on, I had my coffee, get to the hotel is amazing. Everything was looking great. I was thinking like, oh, I'm going to a nice wholesome part of the country, I'll find some nice like handmade soap. I ended up finding shredded animals and human bodies shoved in barrels. I'm gonna show you guys all of the crazy things that I found. The first shop that I go to, they have this giant Bigfoot statue, completely hand carved. The detailing was really cool. They had a lot of really cool things. Can you guys let me know if this is just me or are other people also afraid of furniture? I remember as a kid not wanting to go antique shopping with my grandma because the furniture was scary. Furniture is scary sometimes. Here's a really good example of what I'm talking about. Like even as an adult, furniture still scares me. Look at this chair. Why are there the most like terrifying carved faces all over this chair? Somebody asked you to sit here for dinner and you had to sit there and try to like eat pea soup with this scary face right behind your head looking at you? No, thank you. Pea soup does not taste better with a demon face staring at the back of your head the whole time. I don't know who needs to hear that, but this should not be a thing. And here we are. I'm looking around a little bit more. They've got some really great trench art vases. They've got some arm just laying here. I don't know why they think somebody's gonna buy this arm. Hi, do you have any just random arms? No, just the arm. Yeah, no. If it could just like anything, no? But the next thing that I see is absolutely mind-blowing. So hanging from the ceiling, they have this incredible full body costume that's completely made out of painted bark cloth. Now this is from the Tucano people. They are an indigenous people that live in South America. What's really cool is they live in the Amazon rainforest. They are kind of scattered throughout Colombia and Brazil and different parts of that region. Now they make some really amazing stuff. They have masks and costumes and paintings, and all of it sort of incorporates this painted bark cloth. Some of it has like some hand-carved wood detailing to it. Look at this. This thing is so cool, and it would have been like a full body costume. You just put it on. It's got a ponytail. They actually have one of these on display in the American Museum of Natural History in New York City. Please don't let there be spiders. Oh my gosh. Nope. This is it. This is obviously made for a child. It doesn't even go over my shoulders. The next place I went to, I walk in and the very first thing I see is this body. It's got all of its organs exposed, hearts and lungs and things hanging out everywhere. I actually kind of like these things and I probably would have bought this if I could get it for the right price. This is actually from a company called Nystrom. Nystrom is a company that was founded in the 1940s. They're still making things till this very day, but they basically specialize in educational equipment, books and atlases and maps and anatomically correct humans where you can take out the body parts and just look at them. They wanted like almost $300 for it, and these things go anywhere from $200 to $500, so I'm definitely gonna leave this here, but I wanted to show this to you guys because if you can find these for a good price, they're definitely worth picking up. If you guys have been watching my videos for a while, you know that I'm not like a huge fan of creepy dolls. This room, you guys, it is only dolls. From wall to wall to wall to wall, floor to ceiling, dolls. Every single doll that you never wanted to see in your entire life is here. You walk in and they're just like, we've been waiting for you. No. You guys, some of these dolls, like the expressions are unacceptable. And these were made for children. No, they just stare. So the next thing that I see is this insane machete, and it's on the bottom shelf of this display case. So I have somebody come and take it out so I can take a look at it, but the handle immediately tells me that this is from Borneo. It's from the Dayak people in Indonesia, and I absolutely love some of the stuff that comes from this tribe. They have bowls and weapons and carved doors. It has really great detailing on the handle. There's like leather and some twine. The sheath has some really great detailing. There's like a snake. They only wanted $95 for this. Now some of these weapons are pretty elaborate and they go anywhere from $200 to $500. The last place I went was a little bit terrifying to me. I go inside this warehouse and they had some really amazing things, but they also had some really terrifying things. This place was absolutely insane. They just had things stacked from floor to ceiling, furniture and statues, figurines and all kinds of just crazy things. I'm looking at all of this amazing stuff and then I go around this corner and then there's this cow, but then his side is completely open. What am I about to see? And I go up to it and I look inside because that's just what you do. And there's all this like machinery. It's a robot cow. So this is actually an animatronic cow from an old museum. Like, this thing is very cool. Back when I was a kid and you would see a dinosaur that was like, Mom, how are they even doing that? It's moving on its own. How? Nowadays, kids would see something like this and it would be like, hi, I noticed that there's a cow in the other room. Can you contact a vet? Something's wrong with that cow. There is so much stuff to look at here, you guys. It's honestly a little bit insane, but then I do get to another animal that is an old like taxidermy boar / pig that the entire top half is completely ripped off. Why would you keep an old pig where the top half is completely ripped off? It just makes it look so creepy. I see these like statues and there's these cabinets, and then I look down and there is this human body, the skeleton shoved in a barrel. Shoved in a barrel! Like, why is it shoved in a barrel? The feet are like, there's no head, but there's feet and there's hands and there's ribs. Like, everything else is here. Okay. Where is the woman that owns this place? I need to have a conversation about what's happening in this barrel right now. I track her down, like, yeah, no, I noticed there's a human body in the other room there. It was like in a barrel. Oh, yeah. Did you have the head or? Yes, no, I do. I have the head. The head is, I took the head home. So I took the head and I kept the head at home and I kept the body here. I don't understand people, you guys. I don't understand people. Like, I just picture her having the head in like a medicine cabinet in her bathroom. Like, it's a secret and it's too hard to hide like a whole body at home. So it's just like the head is easy to hide. Nope. Goodbye. Thank you so much. Thank you so much for your time. So as I was leaving, I did see this and I'm kind of like, that's kind of amazing. This is an antique kneeling prayer bench. So this actually would have been at the base of like an altar. You would have kneeled on this and it's got like padding, but then you can also open it up and you can put like Bibles or extra candles or different things that you would need for your altar inside of this box. Super old, it's very, very cool, and I honestly felt like I needed a few prayers after this trip. I feel like I have seen things, I feel like I have come into contact with things that I can't even tell people about. So I want to know from you guys, what is the oldest thing that you've found? What's the oldest thing you own, the oldest thing you've found? Leave your comment in the comment section below. Maybe it's like an old family heirloom or something that you found at an estate sale. I'm super excited to read your guys' responses. If you haven't hit that subscribe button yet, make sure you do it now so you don't miss future episodes. And as always, thank you guys for watching, and I hope you have a wonderful day.